Throughout the course, I've been teaching you how to dropship on eBay using Chinese suppliers, and more specifically using a supplier called CJ Dropshipping, who are also a wholesale supplier, and then you can dropship from them and you can purchase in bulk. However, there is a thing called retail dropshipping, which kind of has a gray area on eBay. So let's look at eBay's exact policy on dropshipping. And this is directly from eBay. Dropshipping, also known as product sourcing, is when you buy stock from a supplier and work with them to send items directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourself. Dropshipping, where you fulfill orders directly from a wholesale supplier, is allowed on eBay. Remember that if you use dropshipping, you're still responsible for the safe delivery of the item within the time frame stated in your listing and for the buyer's overall satisfaction with their purchase. However, listing an item on eBay and then purchasing the item from another retailer or marketplace that ships directly to your customer is not allowed on eBay. Activity that doesn't follow eBay policy could result in a range of actions. Remember, it says could result in a range of actions, including but not limited to administratively ending or cancelling listings, hiding or demoting all listings from search results, lowering seller ratings, buying or selling restrictions, loss of buyer or seller protections, and account suspension. All fees paid or payable in relation to listings or accounts on which we take any action will not be refunded or otherwise credited to your account. So basically, eBay here are stating that you are allowed to dropship on eBay using wholesale suppliers. However, you cannot dropship from retail or marketplaces. Now, the thing is, there are people who are still successfully dropshipping on eBay from retail suppliers. So I'm going to bring an example over to the screen now. This account over here, which is selling over $65,000 a month, they are a retail dropshipper. So don't worry about exactly what they are doing, but I just want to show you an example that how retail dropshippers are successfully selling on eBay. With 676 listings, a sell-through rate of 45.27%. They're doing over $65,000 a month in sales, and I know they are a dropshipper because I've already analyzed this store. So let's look at this product over here, which is sold 33 times in the last 30 days, total sold 94. So if we go ahead and click on the product, you're going to see that this product is selling on eBay, successfully sold, and it's selling pretty well, $188.85. Now if I scroll down, what you'll find that most dropshippers, they just go ahead and copy the description and then they just paste it into their description. Okay, so if I just go ahead and highlight some of this, right click on it, search for it on Google, it's going to go ahead and try and search for this product on Google. Now this person may have done it fairly well because it finds it on eBay, but it doesn't find it on anywhere else. So let's try and find a different part. Just going to go ahead, highlight that, search for it on Google, and let's see a few other places: Milwaukee Tool, Atlas, Amazon.com. It might potentially be Amazon dropshipping. Okay, so these guys may be dropshipping from Amazon. If you have a look at this, let's have a look. It's $188.85, and on Amazon it's selling for $169.95. Let's have a look at a few other suppliers. Maybe Home Depot might have this specific product over here. So it's called an M18 fuel compact router, or router as you Americans would say. And if we see if Home Depot do have it for $179. Okay, so let's assume that they are drop shipping from Amazon. Now, how are they actually, where is the profit margin on this? And I'm going to explain this to you in a second. So let's just assume that eBay charge around about 10% for their final value fee. Okay, and then on top of that, what they actually do is PayPal charge around about 2.9% plus the 30 cents. So that's around about 3% in total. So 10% plus 3% is 13%. So if we times it by 1.13, the break even of this product is $192. Okay, now how are they selling this product for $188? That's potentially at a loss. Well, I'll explain that to you in a later video. They're using back-end methods, which is things like cashback. So they're getting cashback from when they're checking out. They may be also using cashback from certain credit card companies, which maybe adds up to around about 5%. So they're actually making back-end profit. So they may be making, from this point of view, it may look like that they're making a loss on this sale, but they may also be making profit on the back end, which is through cashbacks, and I'll explain that to you in a later video. Let's have a look at a product. See, because this product is selling really well, I know that their more than likely doing it. For the products that are not selling as well, more than likely they're not making as much back-end profit, or they're not making as much front-end loss. So let's have a look at this. $81.21 they're selling it for. This product sold 4 times in the last 30 days. And if we scroll down, let's do this again. We're going to go ahead, copy some of this, search for it on Google, and eBay, Amazon.com. And it's a lot harder to find because this person is a good dropshipper. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a bad retail dropshipper. Actually, it's good that I found this account over here, but I'm going to show you a bad retail dropshipper, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to snipe them. So this is a bad retail dropshipper over here, okay, and I'm going to show you what makes in a later video I'm going to show you what makes a good retail dropshipper, so don't worry about that. So this is why is this bad? Because this person is literally just copying and pasting. They've got, look, if you compare that to this account over here, right, this account has got 676 listings and this account has 688. This account is doing $65,000 a month in sales. This account is doing $5,000 a month in sales. There's a massive difference, and they're doing the same amount of work, they're putting in the same amount of energy in, but this person is doing substantially better than this person. Why? Because this person has made their account very easy to snipe. So for example, if I go ahead, see how difficult it was for me to snipe this account over here. It was quite difficult for me to find the product. It's quite difficult for me to work out that they're actually making a profit. But as a matter of fact, you're going to see how easy it is for this account. So let's just say this product over here is selling for $39.27, selling 5 times in the last 30 days. Lifetime it sold 56 times. Gibraltar, Jumbo, Post Mount, yada yada yada. So you can see that it's successfully selling. So if I scroll down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and copy some of this, and we're going to easily find this product. Okay, Home Depot, it's found it straight away. Okay, and it is the same product, right? It looks different from over here because what they've actually done is they've used one of a different stock image. So they've used this product over here, this image over here. So this product over here is $25.99, free delivery on orders over $45. So maybe they're going to charge some delivery on this, but they're still making a healthy markup on this because they're putting it on sale for $39.27. And you can see it was so easy to snipe this seller because they're not using the strategy that I've been teaching you throughout this course, which is to completely personalize everything. This person over here, this account was very difficult to find because they didn't just copy and paste the description. They've probably got a virtual assistant that's really rewriting all the description, and it's making it extremely difficult. But this account over here is just literally just copy and pasting. They've got the same amount of items. You need to pay close attention to this. They've got the same amount of items, but one account is doing $5,000 a month in sales, while one account is doing $65,000. So this person is putting in more work at the front end, right? Putting more work in at the front end, and this person is just trying to copy and paste and just try and be successful as quickly as possible. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the most effective type of retail dropshipping. And I just want to make you aware that although retail dropshipping is not allowed on eBay, there are still plenty of people doing it. However, there is always that instance where you do potentially put your account at risk. And what happens when your account is at risk is eBay, sometimes they lower the ranking on your items. That means your items will get ranked lower on the search engine, so it may not even appear on the first page. It may appear on the second, third, fourth page, etc. And if that does happen to your account, then literally your account is kind of as good as no good, really. And you're just gonna, the only way to get around that is by completely listing a lot more items to get as many sales as possible. However, what we're going to do is in the next video, we're going to look at some of the steps that some of these sellers are taking to not get